English?
Yes.
Yes. So in all, I'm just kindly requesting the government of yesterday and tomorrow. We're just begging and kindly, whereby we want the vehicles to transfer all our villages. Because here in the city we are suffering, first of all, lack of food. Before the quarantine, food, number one. Don't it even for me like me, you see the damage. Where?
Now, where are you coming?
The LODU.
Where are you coming from and where are you going?
For me, I am coming from Muxolo. Particular Muxolo, they are locked there.
Now, where are you going?
I have passed through Sink and the forest to pass by where I can get the way to my study home. I don't have even transport. They have thrown into it. Even I bought this in
now, what's that in your hand?
This one. The Mumala.
But you said it's a sanitizer.
The Asika, they said that you can use that and this one to.
What's that one?
This one was a mask. Always not.
How many layers does it have? Put on your mask and you put?
Yes. But it's not a good quality. The Museveni had told us they are going to bring us the mask is really good quality. But he said that you can use this one. There's nothing else except to Mamonongolens.
How much did you buy that mask?
This one is 10,000. Yet the government is for free.
10,000 from where?
The Museveni told us the masks will be delivered for free.
Now, did you get posho? And
not yet, even right now.
Where do you stay?
I stay here.
Where?
Here, Kakaju. Mango.
But those people got food.
Chairman, got it free.
But those people got food.
No, not at all. They told me that I lay out and
now you talked about your luggage.
National ID. It is here. This is my brothers and sisters. You can see. You can see I'm suffering. You can see. I'm begging the government.
Those are your sisters, eh?
Yes. I am suffering from here, but I am going very far. To sorrow. Right now, they close it.
We are here to maintain social distance. Are we in social distance here? They have carried your children. You are going to go with it. Get serious. We want social distance. Where are we? Now, second.
Yes. It is here. Already I'm putting on a jacket. What do you want? You come behind and see where I'm working from. Even the jacket, I'm going to put it in front. I'm putting on a jacket. You're asking me to show you the ID.
Kama mambo nimematama. Mimi napata shida. Shida yangu ni kupandisha lakini kwa pesa wa gulu nyo. Wabera gulu. Mimi nina zalwa kwa mazele wangu hapo. Ama uraba afande. Namwambia alete gari. Atafute mimi hapa tu. Wachali.